Hi there, I'm Teddy Sumude with Remax First, and welcome to my latest listing. The address is 3851D Alabama Street. This is an in-unit quad. It is so darling. It does have a single car garage, and then you come upstairs and you can walk in. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It's been nicely updated. It has new electrical. It has a new hot water heater. It has shiplap walls and some really nice features. If you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. But let's go in and take a look around. All right, as we come in, this is the family room. It does have hardwood flooring, beautiful hardwood floors. You can see the nice touch of the shiplap walls. You have beautiful natural light. You do have a closet. And then you walk into the breakfast nook area. There's a nice little breakfast nook dining room area. And then the nice kitchen has new light fixtures, really nice kitchen. You go up the stairs. You have 3 nice sized bedrooms, good sized closets, and a nice updated bathroom that feeds the 3 bedrooms. And then you have a really nice backyard off of the kitchen and the breakfast nook. There is the laundry outside that is heated, so really nice for the winter season. The backyard is fully fenced and really a nice size. And there is a pergola there that is nice for the summer. 3851 Unit D on Alabama. It is an in-unit quad. We're in the beautiful backyard. Again, it's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's really nicely updated, has beautiful shiplap walls, nice updated kitchen, a dining area. And if you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. I'm Teddy Sue with Remax First.